Hey folks, so we're going to replace the wiper blades on my Jeep Gladiator, and I just picked these up off of Amazon. Can't remember exactly what I paid, but it wasn't too much. But you're going to want to replace your wiper blades, of course, obviously if they're not wiping good, but I recommend probably at least once a year, and probably for places where you have excessive usage or you're in like really a lot of heat and sun, probably more frequently, like maybe every 6 months. So let's go ahead and get to it. So the one thing is, the wiper blades used to be, like every model of vehicle had a different style of bracket method of how they were attached. But I think more and more they're getting more common where they're more universal to the same style. So with this pair, it's like with this, they attach differently, but with this one, you obviously just pick that up and then it just slides off of there, just like that. So you can see the slot that slid on. So we got that. Let's go ahead and crack this box open here. Of course, and it's got its own directions here as far as how to put it on, but it's pretty dang simple. So here, pushed on those two levers there to pop that open, and then it's got the little sliding attachment thing there. So we'll just push this through there, and then as you can see, this slot will just go inside of here. So we just slide that in there and just push it until it snaps, and then just close that down, and voila. So while we've got that on, now you just need to pull the protective sleeve off, just like so, and there we go. So that's one. So let's go ahead and go over to the other side and do the other one. Oh. Okay, I'm going to pull this off here like that. So let's again flip that up and pull that straight off. And again, I'm depressing on these two here, and that pulls that out. So then that allows the slot there to pull that in, and just pop that on there like so, and voila. And as they say over in England, and Bob's your uncle. So that's all there is to installing these. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and yeah, enjoy your new pair of wipers.